In today's video, I'll show you how to create an account of Deepseek. Deepseek is an AI model that is developed in China designed for tasks such as text generation, research assistance, and problem solving that is similar to ChatGPT. Creating an account of Deepseek is completely free. So, in order to create one for yourself, open up a web browser, search for deepseek.com, and you'll land on this interface. Now you can download the application onto your phone as well. Make sure you scan this QR code from your phone and then download the application. If not, if you want to use the web version, click on the option on the left hand side. And you'll need to start off by clicking on the sign up option, which is on the bottom right of the screen. This way you'll need to type in your email address, create a password, confirm your password, and then type in the code that will be sent to your email address. So fill in this information first of all. Once you now type in your email address and your password, you can now click on send code. A code will be sent to the email address that you added in the section. Head over to the email and then type in your code. Once you type in your code, you can now click on sign up. And there you go, as easy as that. Your account of Deepseek now has been created. Similar to you using ChatGPT, you can also now use Deepseek. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you guys are interested in more future videos. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.